This test consists of 4 riding exercises that measure your motorcycle control and hazard response skills. The final 2 exercises involve speeds of about 15 miles per hour. You'll be scored on time and distance standards as well as path violations. The test may be ended for point accumulation, committing an unsafe act, or failure to understand or follow instructions. You may stop the test at any time, but you must complete the entire test to pass it. Do you understand the instructions I've just read?
Yes.
Engine stalling. Points are assessed if you stall your engine at any time during any exercise. Stalling your engine 4 times during this test is an automatic failure. Do you understand the instructions on engine stalling?
Yes.
Okay, so the cone weave and normal stop. When signaled, ride to the right of the first cone, to the left of the second, and so on. We've passed all 5 cones without touching or skipping a cone or putting a foot down. Turn left and ride towards that side of the course. Make a smooth, non-skidding stop with your front tire inside that white painted box.
Okay.
When stopped, your front tire must not touch the painted lines. Remain stopped. Do you understand the instructions for the cone weave and normal stop?
Yes.
Okay, you may begin.
Okay.
Okay. Turn from a stop and U-turn. When signaled, make a right turn between the boundary lines. Do not touch either line. Diagonally cross to the opposite side of the range and make a left U-turn inside the painted box at the far end of the range. Do not touch the solid or dashed line. So right here, so we're gonna go in here and do a U-turn between the dashed line and then the solid yellow line.
Oh, so I'm on the dashed yellow and the solid yellow?
Yeah, so you're
Okay.
gonna do a U-turn in there.
Okay.
Okay? Let's see. Don't put a foot down either. Stop with your front tire inside that white box and wait for further instructions. Do you understand the instructions for the turn from a stop and U-turn?
Yes.
Okay, you may begin.
Okay.
So this is the quick stop. On my signal, accelerate straight at this path. Stabilize your speed between 12 and 18 miles per hour by the time you reach the first yellow line. Maintain a steady speed. When your front tire crosses the second yellow line, stop as fast and as safely as you can. You will not lose points if you skid. Once stopped, do not allow your motorcycle to roll in either direction. Do you understand the instructions for the quick stop?
Yes.
Okay, wait for my signal to begin.
Okay.
on my signal, accelerate straight up this path. Stabilize your speed between 12 and 18 miles per hour by the time you reach the first line. Maintain a steady speed. When your front tire passes the second line, swerve to the right. Avoid the obstacle line and stay to the inside of the side line. Do not touch either line. So you're going to swerve to the right, and then you're going to go in between these red horizontal lines and then the red vertical line.
Okay.
So anywhere kind of where that yellow dash line is.
And then just kind of stop over there?
Yep. So stop smoothly and wait for further instructions. Do you understand the instructions for the obstacle swerve?
Yes.
Perfect. Wait for my signal.
They go fast enough?
Yep. You did it perfectly. All right. So you got 100% on the test?
Yes.
You did excellent.
Okay, good.
So if you want to meet me in at window 8, I can grab your license.
Awesome. Thank you.
You're